The programme aims to give teachers the confidence, skills and knowledge to support their students through the mental health issues they may face. The focus is on early detection and, where possible, prevention. It's been tailored specifically for Gibraltar, with the programme led by Deputy Director of Nursing at the GHA, Wayne Barton, who is currently seconded to the Department of Education. Today's session was delivered by mental health educator Dr. Pookie Knightsmith.
The programme started back in November. Minister Cortés obviously asked me to look at mental health support systems within the school and how we could best support systems within the school. Obviously there is a multi-agency component to this, but we've thought first let's look within the schools and what we can develop to support teachers, support students in developing them as individuals holistically, so in the future they're less likely to develop mental health problems or disorders. So it's more a preventive early detection approach towards education.
In what ways has this been tailored specifically to Gibraltar? What are the specific challenges in the area of mental health that Gibraltar poses?
The thing that's most different about Gibraltar than anywhere else is this kind of very close-knit community. And that's something that throughout the week we've learned is both a pro and a con. So sometimes it's fantastic because people really work together. There's that sense of community around the child. Other times it can be difficult. There's a bit of a feeling of a real stigma around some mental health issues and perhaps a lack of willingness to open up and look for help. So I've been thinking about how longer term we begin to challenge those issues. The other thing is just the point at which Gibraltar is on its journey. So other places are perhaps further ahead or further behind, and so we wanted to tailor this to where teachers were right now. We brought them together, we asked them what we thought they needed help with, and we tailored the programme to suit.
This is part of what changing education is all about. We've got to make sure that we look after the mental health of our children, that our teachers know what they can do, what they need to be aware of, how they can help, how they can be helped as well, and when it's time for a mental health professional to step in. So it's a question of awareness, knowing how far we can go and trying to improve the whole scenario.
The first phase of the programme has looked at secondary education, with the focus now to shift to primary and, by September, tertiary education, building on the feedback from teachers along the way as to the main issues they face and the tools they need to support their students.